What's up, guys? So I just bought a micro HDMI to VGA cable from Aliexpress. Let's make this review. So this is it. White one. Let's open it. As you can see, so it's a Ugreen brand. Got this male micro HDMI adapter. It's I can connect it to my computer. This is the VGA female adapter, and this is the source, the power source. It connected to this plug. Also have this input. You can touch. You can touch aux connection here because VGA doesn't transfer music audio, only HDMI. So you need to connect aux here and your computer, and it will work. It's nice quality, high quality metal case. Cost me about $20. I don't know if it's a cheap one. I can show you. Just bought this one, about $20. You can see the case is similar to what I got, identical. I guess it should work excellent. It says it supports video output in VGA, this resolution 1080 on 1080, so it's HD output. Well, I guess it's a good buy, so if you want, I put a link in the comments. You can check it out. So thanks.